Hello friends, it's Jana. Today I have another unboxing from ARTKETTY.com. They sent me another box to open today and also a special one because today I'm going to do a giveaway. So friends, let's open this box. This is my second time actually unboxing and I did a succulent arrangement from them before too, so I will leave that link up here and you can see that pot that they sent me too. So let us open this box. Always fun to unbox something, right? So exciting. Okay, let's see what they have here. Let's see. Alright, now I see a receipt here. Let me see what they have. It is a 4-inch modern round ceramic succulent planter, cactus pots with drainage hole, mini cute flower plant pots container. So here I am gonna open this. Alright, it's a big one. Let's see. Where is the opening? Right here. Okay, wow, they pack it so nicely. Okay, let me show you properly like that, and let's open it. Oh, maybe sideways, slide it up. Ooh, so exciting. Wow, look at this. I have 4 pots, friends, and let's check out one at a time. Look at this first one. Beautiful. Way bigger than the last time too. Look at how beautiful that is, and it has a drainage hole. So last time is the vintage one is so pretty. So watch that video because I did a unboxing on that and planting succulents on that one too. So here are the plugs for the drainage holes if you don't want to have it draining, if you just want to put something different in there, so you can use this. And let's see the other. Let me take one pot right here. Here's the next one. Ooh, another beautiful color. So the first one that I showed you is the blue one, and next is this one with the orange. Beautiful color. Here is the next one. Another beautiful design. I love it. And the last one right here is so beautiful. Wow, friends, look at this. Is in the receipt here, it says 4.5-inch modern round ceramic succulent planter. Okay, so what you can do here is that you can put plant your succulents in here, and I will do an update on what I plant on these pots, friends, so you can see and have an idea of what you're gonna put in here. You can actually use this for your house plants too if you don't have succulents, but this is so perfect for succulents because it has already the drainage holes, and you know succulents needed a lot of drainage so they don't die, because they do not like wet soggy soil and they like it well draining too. Alright friends, I just put this foam right here in order to protect my table. Let's look at the pots one more time and talk about the giveaway too. Now, here are the following rules that you should do in order to get enrolled in the giveaway. So, A, you must subscribe to my channel. B, thumbs up my post. C, comment under my post to get enrolled. D, like ARTKETTY's Facebook page, which I will leave the link in the description below. And The last one is, unfortunately, this is only for US residents currently. So, the ones that could join and win the giveaway is just currently US residents only. Alright friends, now here are the 4 pots that you could win in this giveaway. I will also share the link of ARTKETTY's Amazon website link here in the description below. And with that, I have a 20% discount under Jana EXCD, which is exclusively created for my followers. So, this will be valid until July 15, 2020. And I will also share the link of the giveaway of ARTKETTY, which is giveaway@artketty.com. And for those who are extremely interested in getting other giveaways, just send an email to ARTKETTY in order to get enrolled for future giveaway. Now, there are a total of 2 winners in this giveaway. I will pick up 1 winner from those who commented to get enrolled, and ARTKETTY will pick up 1 winner from those who like ARTKETTY's Facebook page and enrolled through ARTKETTY's email contact. And in 1 week after I posted this vlog, I will pick up 1 winner and I will send your shipping address and email to ARTKETTY so that they can arrange the shipment of the free gift and notify the winner with the shipping information. Alright friends, well, I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing and giveaway video. I am so excited to pick out the winner and I cannot wait to do it next week. Alright friends, I will see you in 1 week and announce the winner. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching. I will see you next time. Happy planting. Bye bye.